Hey builders, do you want to build a snowman?
Do you want to build a snowman?
Then let's build a snowman. If you love snowmen, I just wanted to tell you that since it's winter, I decided to build a snowman. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Bostyn. And guess what I got for Christmas? I got this Toybox for Christmas. This Toybox is something where you can make toys. Today, we're going to be making a snowman. Are you ready? Let's Christmas! The first thing you need to do is plug in your Toybox printer. It's on and it's warming up. So now let's press the food button and you can hear the sound. The printer food is basically in here where we have lots of colors. These printer foods are like type of foods for the printer. They're actually colors. Lemon, cotton candy, cherry, and grape. And today we're gonna use sesame. Then we're going to get peach and coconut. You're gonna need 3 colors for a snowman. So let's put the sesame in. Let's open the sesame. Ask your parents to help you open it. And if you want to get this for next year Christmas, you can ask your parents. So you're gonna put this on the flat side, and now the printer's warming up. See? And on a phone or tablet, I got my tablet charging over there that I got for Christmas. It's almost warmed up. Now I got my iPad and open the Toybox app, and if you want to build a snowman, select snowman. The 4 things we're going to build is snow, hat, buttons, and carrots. So first we're going to use the sesame to build. Let's stick the sesame in there. I'm pressing the insert button, and then we have to get it down all the way until it shows black. It's still showing some yellow. So now we're gonna press it. Let's see yellow coming down, but we don't need yellow. All you're gonna do is just remove it. Be careful, little builders, because this is really hot. I got a big space on my desk. So Mom, can you remove all this stuff?
Oh no! Yikes!
Yeah, yikes is right. Now we're gonna turn on the iPad. So let's do the hats. So now we're gonna press print me, and now when you press print me, the printer's is beaming down, and now it's warming up. So now what's going on? The printer is finishing. Can you see the snowman hat over there? The snowman hat is finished. Just wait a few seconds for it to cool because it's really hot. So how you're gonna remove it is put this up, and the proper way to do it is bend it and peel it off. So now this is the snowman hat we made. Next is the coal. So you're not gonna put it on the smooth side. You're gonna put it on the rough side. So now you're gonna slide it in all the way. Make sure you slide it in all the way, or when you take it off and put it back in, it's just gonna print strings, and you don't want it to print strings. Number 1, never turn this on without parents' permission. Number 2, never touch this when it's on because that's really hot. It can go up to 210 degrees. So let's turn on my iPad. So now we're gonna do the buttons for the snowman. Now you press print me, and now it's warming up. It's gonna take really quick to do it. It's printing the buttons now, but it's just finishing. So now it's finished. So now let's take it out. Wait, we have to wait a few seconds for it to cool down. It's warm. So now you take it out. You bend it. And then peel it. So if you have any printer hanging down, tell your parents to give it a wipe. Now the next thing you're gonna print is the carrots. Do not touch this because that is a hot nozzle. How to take the printer food out is you have to press this, touch the food button. Minute. So you press this button. So now you're gonna remove the printer food, take this off. In order to make sure you don't drop the little pieces, is you have to put all of the pieces in here that you already made. So now, insert this printer food. You are going to press insert. Keep pressing insert until the orange comes out. Now it's spraying with ketchup. What are we having for lunch, Mom? I see black orange now. There, that's enough. So now, let's print the carrots. And now, you're gonna press print me. What's happening?
Oh, we don't have the black piece.
Now, we continue by sliding this in all the way. Now let me turn on my iPad. Now I'm gonna print it. It's warming up. When we print the snow, we're going to be having lunch. So bend it, then peel it. I'm taking the printer food out. So now I am getting the coconut out of this. Now, this is just flat side, right? We should slide this in. Yep, it's on the right side. The rough side. Now I gotta press the insert button. I'll move the roll. Now I'm looking for whites. It's really hard. So now we're going to print the snow. Now I'm gonna press print me. The body takes an hour and 40 minutes to print. So what I'm gonna do while I wait, I'm going to eat lunch. Alright, I'm back from lunch. Oh look, the snowman's finished.
Yeah!
So now we can build it. So now we can build the snowman. Are you ready? Let's get building. Let's get building the snowman. The first thing we're gonna do is take the snowman off. So now I'm gonna peel this off. So the next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna put my head down, put the hat on. That's the first thing we did. Then you're gonna put the buttons on. So now let's get the carrot on. His eye popped out like a zombie, but not as creepy as the zombie on Minecraft. I hate zombies. Can you help me put this in? Try the middle one. Let's finish this. The carrot's actually the nose.
Oh, that's right. Duh.
Why are you saying duh?
Yeah, let me help you with the carrot.
I built the snowman. It was a little difficult because it was hard to put the carrot and the buttons on. So ask your parents for help if this is hard. And let me know in the comments what you thought. Did you have fun building with me? I hope you did, because the snowman took an hour to print. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe and turn on notifications. I hope you enjoyed this video. What should I build next? Tell me in the comments. Bye. Excuse me, let me put the hat on first.
No.
No. Ow, no. Ow, no. It's a great beat. Oh, ow, no. That's a great beat. That's my bestest, cutest smile. Does it look cute?
I think it looks great. You look so handsome.
And cute.
And cute.
And I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoyed this.
No,